Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today market update for June 4, 2020. As you can see here on the left, it's the SBY, the Spider S&P 500 ETF. So today the market is still hanging there. This morning they tried to go up and test the yesterday high, couldn't do it, and then they fall back, and then they try to fill up the gap and then they stuck there, and then at the end of the day they slam it up. So right now the market is still have indecision where to go. So tomorrow, when the market open, they will tell you where the market we're heading to. Tomorrow it's the unemployment report early in the morning that will give you the tone for tomorrow as well as the next week. If the market be able to get out of this area, they will continue to go higher and to the next level. If they don't, then we can see the market will roll over. But at this moment, if you look at the chart, you can see that on the right side that the E-mini SB 500 60-minute chart. In the morning, they try to push it up, they push it back up, they try to retest. The sales on yesterday couldn't do it. They slam it down. They take out. The people try to go long and put a stop here. They took it out after they turn around, and then at the end of the day, they run up to the top in the last minute. So, like, look at the last minute action today. You can see that the market is still holding pretty well. So the potential, it looks like they will continue tomorrow. If they break out, the market will continue to go higher to test the next level. So that's what we have it for the trend direction today. And if you are in the short-term trading, you can see that on the left side, the market right into the sell zone couldn't make it. They pull back down right into the long-term support line. The buyer step back in, they push it back up. So the bear tries to slam it down, but the bull it fight back, and then the momentum is still strong in the upside. And if you can see that in the morning in our live trading room when the market open, the market will push it back up. We guide our member in the direction of the trend. So the trend is up, we stick with the uptrend. And when I get out, and then the people be able to make money in the uptrend, they hit right into the sell zone, and then they give up, they break down the upper downtrend line, turn around, I jump in, take a quick short, and then cover back right here, and then at the end of the day, the market it go back right into the support. They bow back up, okay, and then they hold up, and then they put right into the resistance area. So one short trade, one long trade. The net profit for today is $2,026 for June 4th. So that's what we have. And if you look at on the market today, if you are in our live trading room, you can see that every day we analyze a lot of stuff with the member every morning before the market open and after the market open. It's a lot of stuff that on the way up, like you see here, it's the bow in. Okay, when it's downtrend, we stick with the downtrend. When it turn around, everything turn around. They give it a buy signal if you know how to read the chart. This is where you jump in. 140 right now, 180, $40 again. Okay, a lot of airline stock. If you can see here, American Airline, they come back here. They give you a buy signal if you learn how to read the chart. Buy right here, $10. Right now, it's almost $20. Okay, Delta Airline, they all bouncing from the bottom. Delta Airline, they go back up. United Airline also taking up also. And if you look at the bank sector, a lot of stock in the bank sector also bouncing from the bottom. Okay, right here, Wells Fargo Bank, Citibank also bouncing back up. Bank America, another one, they already go up when the sit when if you know how to read the chart. This is very important. If you know how to read the chart, when the chart tell you buy, you stick with the buy side. There are so many opportunity out there. A lot of stock they drop like rock in the month of March. Now they recover and then they try to find a way up. So if you learn how to understand how to read the chart, how to trade the financial market, you can see that the market will always give you a lot of opportunity. So you should take that opportunity and learn how to understand, okay, to reading the chart, to how analyze the chart, and you can have a lot of opportunity to make good money for yourself and your family. All right. So thank you very much for watching. And then if you like what I'm doing here for you, give me a thumb up. And if you want to learn more, check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.